Welcome back, guys. How on a day? Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. So guys, don't mind my sunglasses. I'm outside my compound, so the sun is just coming direct to my face. So if today is your first time here, my name is Chimesi. I'm happy that you are here. So guys, that this particular video I just want you guys to watch, and this is a Yoruba man and he is a lawyer, because most of the times when we talk about TINUBU or when we criticize TINUBU, some people will say because of your Igbo or because of your obedience. But right now this one is coming from a Yoruba man. So my people, what is happening right now, I believe that God just wants to use it to expose TINUBU to the world. Right now, people that did not even know who TINUBU is before know TINUBU right now. And many people that are not even Nigerians, they are saying that TINUBU is illegitimate president. Yes, so my people, you guys know what has been happening, especially the crisis in Niger, and the TINUBU want to, deploy our soldiers to go and restore democracy. While in Nigeria, I don't even know what we are practicing, which I believe that is not even democracy. My people, make I not even waste time, make we just watch this video together. Leave your thought in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people to watch, and don't forget to share as well. So let's go ahead and watch the video together, my people.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's suicidal mission in Niger Republic. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, with due respect to him, is not as brilliant as we think. People are mixing things up. Nigerians are mixing two things up. And I will tell you the two things Nigerians are mixing. You can be brilliant in a negative way. You can also be brilliant in a positive way. And with all due sense of responsibility, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is brilliant in a negative way. When it comes to falsifying documents, when it comes to telling lies, when it comes to falsifying your age, when it comes being a drug baron, he has A1 in those areas. But